Hey guys, I just now had my car battery replaced. This is Honda Odyssey 2011. So after battery replacement, when I try to turn on the audio, it's asking me audio powered off, and then it says enter code. So I don't have a code for it, so I was doing a little bit research. How do you get the power back on? Is so go to this the power button for the audio and just press and hold for 2 seconds. Then you should be able to get the audio back on. So just press and hold this button for 2 seconds and see on the panel.
Can I press off?
You'll get a beep. Yes. So there you go. The beep is there and then audio turned on. So now you're good to go.
Where the soul
it's all
goes,
working
the
now.
unseen world.
Hope this video helped. Thank you guys. See you again.